Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's check out the new Linder Super Edge model, the Linder Super Edge 8. The Linder Super Edge series is a very popular knife series when it comes to hunting, outdoor and bushcraft knives. The models of this series have a high reputation in the outdoor bushcraft and hunting community. They are very durable with an excellent quality. This is my Linder Super Edge 1 and it's my most used and most carried outdoor bushcraft and survival knife. It's a very durable and compact design. I love the structure of the rubberized handle. It's an excellent knife and this is my go-to knife for my outdoor adventures. Over the last 5 years I have made a lot of experiences with this knife in an outdoor environment, and it was my all-time favorite and still is. But there's a new knife in town, the Linder Super Edge Evo-X, and I test this knife since a week and there will be a review video. But in my opinion this version is bushcraft and outdoor perfection. But I will come back to the Evo-X in a later video. I need some time for a detailed review. Depending on the specific model, the Linder Super Edge series is available in different handles when it comes to the color of the handle. We have a pink version, an orange version. It's an excellent version for hunters, for example, a green version and a black version. But not all models are available in all 4 colors. Over the last 5 years I have used 3 different sheaths. This one is the 3rd one and I use this sheath for a year now. And you see it's a hard used sheath with a lot of wear. It doesn't mean that the quality of the leather pouches is not high quality, but when you use the sheath in a very hard and wet environment, you need a new sheath from time to time. When we talk about the sheaths, there are different models available. For example, this bushcraft leather sheath with a holder or a slot for fire steel. There is a leather model available. And you also find, for example, a nylon sheath. And there's also a Kydex model available. I have to mention that the different sheaths work with different models from the series. Please check out the website which sheath fits to the knife you want to buy. And when we see the blade design of the different models, we see that, for example, the Linder Super Edge 1 on the right or the Evo-X on the left, these are classic blade designs for hunting tasks or for outdoor and bushcraft adventures. The thickness of the blade is heavy duty. These are 4.8 millimeters when it comes to the Evo-X. And for example 4.3 millimeters when it comes to the Super Edge 1. When you have the Linder Super Edge 8 in your hand, you feel it's a heavy duty design. The grip of the handle is excellent, and I have to mention that this is my all-time favorite handle when it comes to outdoor and bushcraft knives. This model is also called Worker because it's designed as a craftsman knife and a knife for archery. All in all, a really cool new model in this legendary series. And I have to thank Dirk Wanger. Dirk, thank you very much that I can display these amazing knives in my video. My conclusion is the Linder Super Edge 8 is a cool new model in this legendary series. A cool design for craftsmen that's more on the tactical side. When you are looking for a high quality outdoor knife with an excellent reputation in the community, in the field, check out the Linder Super Edge series. You can't go wrong with these designs, you can't go wrong with the excellent grip of the handle. All in all, well proven knives, and I love this stuff. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts to the Linder Super Edge series and what are your thoughts to the new model, the Linder Super Edge 8.